have been with our company Topzir Biotech for close to 8 years, seeing few generation products in our industry. I thought I knew dental zirconium blocks very well, while apparently I didn't. My name is Catherine. I'm the sales director at Topzir Biotech. Today, I will give you a tour of our manufacturer.
Topzir Biotech is FDA and CNAS-approved manufacturer of high-quality, biocompatible zirconia blocks for dental restorations more than 80 years. Our advanced dry farming facilities allow us to produce 40,000 zirconia blocks monthly. We use high-quality nano zirconia powder with excellent and stable performance, ensuring the highest quality zirconia blocks. Cold as a static press is used in Topzir to result in a uniform and consistent microstructure, leading to improved density and stable strength for Topzir zirconia blocks. Topzir's pre-sintering come in different size chambers with precise temperature control and monitoring to ensure the precise fit, great streams, and high translucency. Topzir state-of-the-art machining designed to handle the unique properties of zirconium to meet the highest standards of accuracy. Our packages meet the ASTM D4169-2022 standard. Topzir is dedicated to offering safe and high-quality zirconia blocks to our customers. To ensure the utmost quality, we strictly control the sourcing of raw materials in every aspect of the production process. Our blocks have undergone rigorous physical and chemical performance tests, as well as biocompatibility tests conducted by CNAS-approved third parties. These tests include evaluations of physical and chemical performance, product composition, fracture toughness, and various in vitro cytotoxicity tests, as well as tests for oral mucosal irritation, skin sensitization, bacterial reverse mutation, systemic toxicity, and muscle implantation. Topzir has seen significant growth with advanced zirconia materials like HT+, ST, ST+, TT, and a 3D Pro multi-layer with a 5-year guarantee. Our team continuously improves our product's quality and preciseness under ISO standards. Today, Topzir zirconia blocks are trusted by dental labs and distributors all over the world. Now, we're still striving for better.